we got the dolly out and everything out. It worked really well for us. As you guys can see, it held up really well. We used the straps. Now we tied it off a little different. We had to use another strap because this strap wouldn't go the whole way how we wanted it. So, but other than that, it works great. It really made this a lot more easier to do. So I'm very appreciative of the dolly. Easily move it around. Yeah, just worked out really well. Hey everyone, this is the dolly. So as you can see, it does set up pretty high from the ground. You can extend it out as well, but we're gonna go ahead and lift up our refrigerator. So let's go ahead and do that.